Hi, I'm Kindla with M4Connect, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to adjust your output filter on a Stratos Multi. To adjust your output filter, first I'm going to demonstrate how the output filter behaves at 0 seconds, or your default value. Here I have a 12 millisiemens buffer with my SE615 inside. Pull it out of the buffer and you're going to immediately see this milliamp value drop. If I immerse it again, immediately climbs back up. So what we're going to do is change the output filter to add a little bit of stability to this and ease the curve over a time span. Pressing the left-hand soft key to open the menu, scrolling over twice to parameter setting, going down to administrator level, your default passcode is going to be 1989. I've set mine to zeros for simplicity. And then in here, we're going to go to our inputs/outputs and current outputs. Then you're going to select whichever output you want to apply this to. I'm just going to do it for output 1. So here you'll see I have a conductivity output set to 4 to 20 with a start of 2 millisiemens and an end of 20. That's why it put us right at the 13. So going in, you'll see output filter. You have the ability to set this to really whatever you want to, but just for this reference, I'm going to set it to 10 seconds. Jumping back out to the menu, right back where we started, you'll see that I'm currently sitting at 13 milliamp. I'm going to remove the SE615 from the bath now, and you'll see the value will slowly creep down rather than just instantly spiking to it. So this will give you some nicer slopes on your graphs, and it'll also just smoothen out that measurement a little bit. So we'll see about 10 seconds is getting close here, and then we're getting right to our fail milliamp. Immerse it once more. You'll see it start to climb slowly. And then you just want to try to set this to an area that's preferable to you. If you need something to dampen more, you can have it longer, but set it to 10-15 seconds is usually a good value. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via phone or email.